Let's check out the top 5 shots of this year's Major Championships presented by Versant Health. Number 5, we start out with the final round of the 2018 US Women's Open. This is Hyo-joo Kim trying to chase down Arya Jatanagarn. Kim on number 15 with a long putt for birdie. Yes, it goes in. Kim would erase a 7-shot Jatanagarn lead on the back 9, but Kim would eventually fall in a 4-hole playoff. Number 4, we go all the way back to the first major of the year. Final round of the A&A Inspiration. Pernilla Lindberg is coming down the stretch, needing a birdie to get into a playoff with Jennifer Song and NB Park. Lindberg with just a pitching wedge into 18. And look at it work off the slope, right down to the hole. Lindberg makes birdie and would win the A&A Inspiration in an 8-hole playoff. Number 3, final round of the 2018 Evian Championship. Angela Stanford is trailing Amy Olsen by 3 shots when she comes to number 15. She needs to attack this par 5. She's going for the green in 2. And look at this. The ball skips right up onto the green. It would end up about 7 feet away, and Stanford would go on to make that putt for eagle and win the 2018 Evian Championship by 1 shot. Number 2, it's Brooke Henderson in the second round of the 2018 Ricoh Women's British Open. Henderson on the par 3 9th hole. She's looking to get it going on cut day. This ball takes one big bounce on those firm greens, and it goes right in. It slams in the cup for a hole-in-one. Henderson is all smiles. She would finish up in a tie for 11th place. Now, number 1, final round of the KPMG Women's PGA Championship. This is Sung-hyun Park on number 16. Her ball has found the water hazard short of the green, but it's playable. Park is a few back of leader So-hyun. She feels like she's got to go for it. Park hacks it out, and check this out. It gets right up by the hole. She would save par. The normally reserved Sung-hyun Park breaks out the fist pump, and Sung-hyun Park wins the KPMG Women's PGA Championship in a 2-hole playoff. And those are your top 5 shots from the 2018 Major Championships presented by Versant Health.